Finding the right denture reline kit is essential for comfort and durability, and Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture Set claims to provide a secure, long-lasting fit for dentures. But is Bikenda.net legit or a scam? Let's take a closer look at the product, its benefits, and customer experiences. What is the Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture Set? The Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture Set is designed to improve the fit of loose dentures, offering a soft, flexible lining that molds to the gums. It aims to provide increased comfort, reduce irritation, and prevent slipping, making daily wear more convenient. Does it really work? Bikenda promotes its Reline set as an affordable alternative to professional denture relining. The kit is said to be easy to use, requiring only a few steps to apply the silicone lining to existing dentures. Many denture wearers look for solutions that are long-lasting, odor-free, and non-toxic, which Bikenda claims to provide. However, customer reviews on Bikenda.net are mixed. Some users report a comfortable fit and improved stability, while others mention difficult application and durability issues. Since personal experiences vary, it's important to check independent reviews before purchasing. Is Bikenda.net legit or a scam? There are concerns about Bikenda.net's credibility, as some customers have reported delayed shipping, poor customer service, or difficulty with returns. Before buying, check Trustpilot ratings, return policies, and verified customer feedback to ensure you are getting a quality product. The Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture Set may be a suitable option for those looking to improve their denture fit without expensive dentist visits. However, due to mixed reviews and potential issues with customer service, it's recommended to proceed with caution. If you're considering this product, make sure to buy from a trusted retailer and review their refund policies. Would you try Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture Set, or do you prefer professional denture relining? Let us know your thoughts.